Hi, today I'm going to share with you my experience that I had with creating an action figure using ChatGPT. My name is Barbara Liedall. I am new to AI, so when I found this blog post from TCEA, I was inspired to give it a try. According to the article, here's the process. You will upload a picture of yourself, write or edit the prompt template, copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, wait for the magic, and of course, spend some time refining. The next few slides show you what my experience was with this. So, the first step is to build the prompt. And what I wanted to do was create an action figure related to a course that I'm teaching this summer called Spacesuits in Progress Electronic Textiles. The prompt template has some things that you just fill in the blanks with, like your outfit, your companion, your tech item, a set of 3 personal items, your favorite color, your what is written on the box, and you go from there. So with that, I wrote create a realistic action figure toy design based on the person in the uploaded image. The action figure should resemble me. All items should be sealed in individual blisters on a retro style cardboard backing. It should prominently feature the name Barbara Liedall, and beneath it, the phrase retired teacher by day, education consultant by night. And then matching the content of the course I'm teaching, I wanted it to include an embroidery hoop, a Circuit Playground Express board, and a spacesuit mission patch and a small rocket. So with that prompt, let's take a look at my first rendition. Okay, I didn't care necessarily for, albeit realistic, overweight look, but ChatGPT seemed to capture a pretty good impression of me just from the picture I submitted. After this, I decided to edit the prompt and ask them to include a more slender me because I'm, in denial. And I changed the clothing to me wearing a NASA flight suit. So here's result number 2. Okay, this one's better, but I think the first one actually looks more like me. I especially like the circuit design on the cardboard backing in that light green color. And the action figure is contained within the blister pack. So now I was wondering what would happen if I tried the more advanced ChatGPT with a different pick and slightly different prompt. So here is what I wrote for result number 3. What I changed was wearing a NASA flight suit. I changed the phrase retired teacher by day, course instructor for spacesuits in progress, electronic textiles by night, which was a mouthful, and I kept everything else the same. Here's the next result. Okay, not too bad, but look, I don't fit inside the blister pack. And they made me fat again, which I guess I have to just admit already. I like the scarf, though, and I like the embroidery hoop. The mission patch is almost exactly like my handmade example. I have no idea how they got that right, but it's pretty cool. So then I wanted to tweak it a little bit more. And so this time I wrote, make me fit inside the blister pack. It's okay to make me a bit more slender, but not unrealistically so. Also, change the text under my name to Course Instructor, Spacesuits in Progress, Electronic Textiles, which is the name of my course with Pathfinders. So as you can see, the blister pack is now almost gone completely, but Not wanting to give up, I tried again. So let's see for result number 5. Whoa, what? Who is this guy? Where did he come from? After a good laugh, I tried one last time, re-uploading my picture and reminding ChatGPT to put the action figure inside a blister pack. But I have to concede, it seems that things are starting to deteriorate. Yep. Now the needle and thread is gone. The embroidery hoop is missing. There's this funny patch with economic logo stuck to my flight suit. The flight suit's a different color, and my chubby face seems to be stuck onto a normal sized body. So, what did I learn? I learned that AI is a fun tool to create with. And like the article stated, I learned that writing an art prompt is kind of like ordering your favorite Starbucks drink. The more specific you are, the better the results. However, sometimes you need to simply start over if the results start going south, which is kind of fun, by the way. I also learned that the more advanced ChatGPT for me isn't necessarily better, but again, I think maybe it's just my inexperience. I need to spend more time honing my prompt writing skills, which really is one of the new skills our students need to know and be able to do as well. So, in review, the art prompt formula that will get you some pretty decent results is to come up with these 5 descriptive lines: the subject, the appearance or style, the setting or background, the mood or vibe, and the art style. So, getting all of those layers right, according to the TCEA article, makes all the difference. So, my challenge to you is, what will you create? Go ahead and read the blog post from TCEA and create your own action figure. They also have instructions for making a Barbie style box, an anime drawing, a movie poster, a Minecraft design, or a video game box. And it's a lot of fun to play around with these. So thank you for watching. And if you wish to let me know what you came up with, here's my email address. Thank you so much and have a good day.